Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a short-term health plan with Anthem, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a short-term health plan with Anthem, start by visiting the Anthem website. Navigate to the health insurance section. Select the option for short-term health plans. Review the eligibility requirements for these plans. Determine the duration of coverage you need. From there, click on Get a Quote for short-term health plans. Enter your zip code to find available options in your area. Fill out the required personal information form. Indicate the number of individuals needing coverage. Choose your desired coverage start date. Review the different plan options presented to you. Compare the benefits and premiums of each plan. Consider factors such as deductibles, copayments, and out-of-pocket maximums. Select a plan that best fits your budget and health needs. Click on the plan to view more details. Once you've made your decision, click on Enroll or Apply Now. Create an account or log into your existing Anthem account. Complete the enrollment application with any additional required information. Review your application carefully before submitting. Submit your application for processing. You will typically receive confirmation via email within a few days. Once approved, check your member portal for your policy details. Print or download your digital ID card for medical services. Stay informed about your coverage and any important deadlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.